My name is Judge DeAnn M. Salcido of the San Diego Superior Court. I became a whistleblower, knowing I would face retaliation and possibly lose my job. I did this because I made a deep personal decision that I could no longer remain silent about court bias. The court culture that exists harms women and children, especially those who raise the issue of abuse in court. The judges of the entire court routinely disregard state law when sentencing people who have pleaded guilty in domestic violence cases and are placed on probation. Supervising Judge Peter Deddeh as well as other judges don't require defendants as part of their probation to impose a one-year domestic violence awareness class, surrender any firearms, and have a protective order entered against them. Instead, defendants are allowed to plead guilty to other charges such as disturbing the peace, and Deddeh and other judges do not then enforce the one-year class, but instead only require a 12-hour class. When I insisted on imposing the more stringent probation terms, I was harassed by Judge Deddeh. When I became a whistleblower, I also acknowledged my own failures as a judge. In 2003, while a family court judge, I made a devastating error in the Joyce Murphy, Parsons case. I relied on other judges who taught me that I should be suspicious of any woman who makes an abuse allegation during a divorce proceeding. I implemented the policy of the court, and as a result I made a horrific and devastating decision. It is too late for me to correct the mistake. Nor can I correct the harm that I caused to Joyce Murphy. I ask Joyce to please forgive me. Joyce, if you are listening to this message, please know that I am deeply sorry for the harm that my actions on behalf of the family court system caused to you and your daughter. There may be others as well. I have no excuses for my decision. I am deeply sorry, and I hope that by my adding my voice to the public voice to hold judges accountable for their failure to protect women and children, I can begin to assist to reform the pervasive court bias and corruption. I am willing to continue to speak out and expose the problems. Too many judges are recklessly disregarding abuse cases in court as well as other problems. Together we can make this a national campaign to reform family court. I want to work with protective parents across the country, and, if you accept me, I want to include my voice with yours. My name is Judge DeAnn M. Salcido of the San Diego Superior Court.